most important thing you can do right now is sign up for MEXC. You got 12 days left. They're giving away $9,100. You must use the link in the description to get half price trading fees. I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto almost daily, jumping right into the market. Today in crypto, I'm going to cover a bunch of news today, kind of changing the format of the channel a little bit because I just think it's needed, right? With change, this channel will become a lot better. And so adopting and adapting to the market is the key. Bitcoin 8-hour chart. So we talked about this falling wedge. The price action is still in the falling wedge. If you lose this support, you're coming down here 23,700, 22,500, 21,400, 19,800. You break to the upside, you go long, and you're looking for 29,000, potentially 31,000 after that. The downside, you do not want to be holding these coins. You want to short the entire market. Obviously, you have to pick a few altcoins, but you are not trying to predict this, right? You're trying to react. And so set your alerts, go in, right click on Tradingview, add the trend line, crossing the trend line, set, right? Only once, create, you get an email. It'll tell you when it's breaking out. I used to wake up to these when I first started. I posted this on Twitter real quick. And I just want to give you an idea where I started. And so this is important to understand. I started the crypto journey, average Joe crypto, right? Laying sod, doing side jobs, working overtime, much as I could, work. Then I realized, wait a minute, rich people aren't doing the work. What are they doing? They're sending their money to work for them. And I figured out how to change the game. You've got to make the most of this market and adapt to the market conditions. I didn't get here because I sat around and twiddled my thumbs and I waited for things to happen. I woke up every single day. I was very consistent. 6 years of my life, I gave in, day out. I learned to trade the market and teach thousands and thousands. I've got 5,000 success stories. The goal is to make you a success story. We can do it, but you're going to have to put the work in. And now is the time when when you need to learn how to trade this market. So some news today, Celsius announced that it's going to sell its altcoins from its customers starting July the 1st and convert them into Bitcoin and Ethereum. Total altcoin sell pressure amounts to 215 million. They're going to start selling. 70 million CEL, Matic 52 million, ADA 26 million, Link 17 million, Litecoin 14 million. They're dumping $215 million of altcoins. Well, they're converting it to Bitcoin. So what do you think is going to happen to Bitcoin? What do you think is going to happen to the altcoins? It's obvious, right? This is the Bitcoin 4-hour chart. So previously we talked about you have this huge run up and then massive pullback. Huge run up, massive pullback. The strength of the move to the downside is a good idea of the strength of the move. And so if you get this like little meandering down trend like this, that's weaker sell pressure, right? This is weaker sell pressure. This is strong sell pressure. This is strong sell pressure. Now, these are both rejected, right? And now it's holding so far as support. Now, what happened? You bounced. And you made a move up to the top trend line. It's not a breakout. This is just the price action working in the pattern. You always assume that the price action works in the pattern until it doesn't. So, on a breakdown, you short everything. On a break up, you go long. Understand? Now, the measured move, you basically pull this measured move wherever it breaks out, you're going to. If you don't get in a higher high and you put it, be forming a bearish descending triangle, and Bitcoin could be coming down for lower prices. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. My leverage trading group is killing it. They did a live training session today. And just if you were live on the training session, right? And these are smaller amounts because these happen real quick, right? You made close to 10% here, 5% here, 6% here. So you're just watching the live and you're in these trades. Right now, you're already up 21%, 27%, 30%. Just watching this live. We're going live. 30% gains just watching this live session. Follow the leader. The prices, the 60% off is going to disappear very soon, and people are paying off the year in a week. It's ridiculous. This person, 31% gains on a Bitcoin long. ADA, 7x short, 166% gains. The money is being made right now, leverage trading. If you've never done it before, you need to add to your skill set. And we will give you play-by-play calls with tons of information, tons of updates. And we've got a couple people posting and be able to take part in these trading sessions. And it's ridiculous how successful we are. I wish I would have done it. I wish I would have done it years ago, but live and learn. Bakkt delists Solana, Polygon, Cardano amid the regulatory uncertainty. Is that even regulatory uncertainty? It's like United States SEC is freaking suing everybody. Is that regulatory uncertainty? A lot more than regulatory uncertainty, if you ask me. So remember, SEC's got lawsuits against Binance, Coinbase. You've seen delistings by Robinhood and eToro as far as Solana, Polygon, and Cardano. Is Celsius, right? This is Celsius. Celsius is selling altcoins from their customers. They're going to sell 72 million CEL. They're going to sell $52 million worth of Matic. $26 million worth of ADA, 17 million worth of Link. DOT is getting dumped for $7 million. DOT getting dumped. And you got 218, and they're dumping it. What's that going to do to the market? We already know. Major upcoming events in June. Remember, I don't care how big the event is. Very rare that any of this matters if Bitcoin nukes. Like, you're not going to outpace Bitcoin, right? Very, 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 very rare, right? So BNB, they're announcing a layer 2 blockchain solution while they get completely destroyed. They just got kicked out of the Netherlands. Tomi has got censorship resistant URLs. Just go through here and just try to screenshot this, okay? My Neighbor Alice is coming. Season 3, well, it's down 31%. Victoria VR on Kucoin has seen 46% gains on its run up. This happens June 21st, new roadmap release. Some of the smaller caps are the exception, and we're posting those in group cryptorev.net for the regular group and the gem pick bangers. If you want to trade leverage, email cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. We'll get you set up in the group. The sale's about to end on that because we're just killing it. So again, notice of service changes in the Netherlands, fellow Binanceans. We are getting kicked out of the Netherlands. And so just another country that is kicking Binance out. Binance is saying, hey, we're compliant. Bitcoin weekly chart. So this is real simple. You've got a falling wedge still. You're coming up here and you haven't broken above the 200 simple. But on a breakout, you're going to 31,000, could see 35,000, 40,000, right? This thing rolls over and breaks down below this level, 24,000. Then you're coming down to 22,000, 20,000, 18,000. Plan A is you go long if it breaks up. Plan B is you go short or close your positions if it goes down. Stocks are freaking booming still. Elon Musk is denying owning Dogecoin in insider trading lawsuit. Most important idea here is Elon Musk's lawyer is saying that the plaintiff's allegations about his client owning a Dogecoin wallet are incorrect and baseless. Obviously, Musk has been a longtime proponent of the dog-themed meme coin, and he was originally sued June in 2022 by disgruntled Doge owners who claimed their financial losses were due to Musk manipulating the price of the digital asset. Meta unveils speech generation AI voice box. So this AI model does far more than convert text to speech. So remember, Meta, they put like $10 billion into metaverse and they got their teeth kicked in. So now this voice box can convert a text sample to another language, given a separate speech sample. It supports 6 languages: English, French, German, Spanish, Polish, Portuguese. When this market takes off, and this is just part of it, when I tell you that 99% of these altcoins die and disappear, and I've been telling you that from the beginning, do you see why? Because the bear markets are painful. The most important thing to understand is that the top gainers, the next bull rally, we get into 2024, things are going to look better. But again, the last 6 months of 2024, mega bull market rally. But you can make so much money right now, and we're doing it. But you've got to be able to trade both ways, learn some basic ideas. If you do not know the rules of this game, you cannot win. Let's see you go play golf with Tiger Woods and see if you even have a chance. If you have never swung a golf club before, you don't even know what a golf ball looks like, much less you don't know how the rules work. And that's how people come into crypto, completely blind. And they're just like, oh, I'm going to buy this because it's going to change the world. And guess what? Bear market happens, right? Because everything's banging when they buy in. Now, BlackRock, and this is big, may have found a way to get SEC approval for spot Bitcoin ETF. So this asset management giant included a surveillance sharing agreement in its proposal. So we're going to offer surveillance for Bitcoin, which is going to eliminate the risk of market manipulation related to Bitcoin. So, hey, we can, as long as we can watch everything that's possibly happening with the money supply, Bitcoin, then is this the workaround that the SEC is looking for? They want to track everything. And we're headed that way either way with digital dollar, Bitcoin, irregardless. Like they just want to keep track of everything. So again, BlackRock, they have $10 trillion under assets, asset management, and I hope they get it done because a spot ETF changes the game completely. I'm going to end this video with a quick replay of my pawn. And this has been my passion right here for some time. And I just want to share it with you guys because the grass is growing, the turtles are there, the fish are there. So
pond is filling up, and the grass, the sod that we put along the banks to keep the soil intact is killing it. So if you go over, like again, it's perfect. It's lined up perfect. I mean, you could even get a little bit more full, but if you look, so we did centipede sod here, right? And then we did a mixture of grass seeds here. Like it's a pond. I don't need it to be like a golf course, right? And so if you go over to this area, I mean, this thing is loaded with fish, like 3,500 fish. When this thing, you throw some food in the water, and these fish just go crazy. Now, if you look at this is what lets the water out of the pond when it gets too high. So this keeps it from not overflowing. And you can see, I mean, it's a pretty steady flow. Bust out this dam, and you got 3,500 fish or more just going down into there's a stream down here, back behind the garage. There's a stream back there. We had got so little rain for such a long time, but I had that metal put up. Used to just have a cement slab, had the metal put up. Very glad I did that because it gives me more storage. And
yeah, the bottom line, dude, this is my passion. Like it was always my dream to be able in between trades to go out and catch a fish. Now I'm just telling you, like these fish, I can do this knock on the metal and they all, you see these waves, these streams, like waves just coming across the water, and they all just sit there and wait for you to feed them. It's like fishing here is more like you're just taking the fish off the hooks. Point is, find a passion, find a balance. Don't let this market bring you down. If you've lost money, we'll make it back. The most important thing is that you survive. Keep showing up every day. Thanks so much. I love you guys. Talk to you guys tomorrow. Banging.